Hello all. In last session we have solved some examples based on sphere. My next example is find the equation of sphere which passes through the circle x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 4 and z is equal to 0 and meeting the plane. Equation of plane is given with a circle of radius 3. Now till now everyone must knows that the um, intersection of sphere and plane, that must be circle, right? So that's why this thing is given to us, right? So see, you want to find out a equation of a circle which passes through this. Let's start with this one, right? So what is given thing? Given is sphere is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 4 and the plane is z is equal to 0. So what we want to find out is equation of sphere which passes through the circle. The circle must be the intersection of these two. So together this represent a circle. So I want to find equation of sphere which passes through this circle, right? Which passes through this. So that is equation number 1, right? Now let's start with the equation. Everyone knows that the equation of a circle which passes through this circle is nothing but s plus lambda times u is equal to 0, right? So what is the equation now? Substitute s and u. So this is x square plus y square plus z square minus 4 plus lambda times u is z and this is equal to 0. This is the required equation of sphere. So this is number 2. Now what is the extra property given to us? This required sphere meets this plane in a circle of radius 4, right? So suppose this is my required sphere, for example, right? This is a required sphere, correct? This is my required sphere. What they have given, the required sphere touches the plane. So this is the plane. What is the equation of plane? X plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 0 meets this in a circle of radius 3. So intersection of this two is given to us a circle with radius is equal to 3, right? So from this equation I can find out what must be the center and what must be the radius as well, right? Let's take P be the center here and Q be point, so that CQ will be radius of this required sphere. Already I know this thing, correct? So let's try to figure out all the things now. Okay, so my next thing is to figure out what must be the value of lambda, right? So let's use the triangle here, okay, so that I can figure out the equation, right? So what is PQ here? Here PQ is the radius of circle which is given to us. PQ is 3. CQ you can find out using this equation. So what is CQ? CQ is nothing but square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Yes. So coefficient of x and y already 0. So this is just lambda square, but the coefficient of z is w by 2, so lambda square by 4, and minus of minus 4 is plus 4, right? So this is square root of lambda square plus 16 and divided by 4, so just 2. So I got CQ here, right? Now the next thing I want to find out is CP, right? Now how to find out CP? Please note that CP is nothing but perpendicular drawn from the point C to this plane. Yes or no? If I know the coordinates for P, then simply I can use the distance formula here. But since I don't know coordinates for P, I'll use the perpendicular distance formula, right? How to find out perpendicular length of the perpendicular drawn from C to the plane. This is nothing but, since I know the coordinates for C, the coordinates for C are 0, 0 and lambda by 2 minus lambda by 2. So just start with the perpendicular distance formula. The perpendicular distance formula, so this is x into 0 plus 2 into again y is 0, sorry, this is 1 into 0 plus 2 into 0 and plus 2 into z is minus lambda by 2, and this is divided by square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus again 2 square, right? Everyone must remember the perpendicular distance formula, right? What is it equal to? And this is nothing but 2 get cancelled, so lambda by 3. So I get CP is equal to lambda by 3, right? Once this is lambda by 3, let's go to the triangle CPQ, right? So that using the Pythagoras theorem I can find out the value of lambda, right? So in triangle CPQ, this is CQ square is equal to CP square plus PQ square. Yeah, just substitute all the values now. Good. CQ square will be lambda square plus 16 divided by 4. CP square is lambda square by 9 and PQ square is just 9, right? Simplify this equation and you'll get the value of lambda is equal to plus or minus 6. Okay, so since the lambda is plus or minus 6, just substitute in the equation number 1 and you will get the required equation of sphere, right? So 1 becomes 2 spheres you are getting here. Since lambda is plus or minus 6, when you substitute lambda equal to 6, you will get 1 sphere, and when you substitute lambda is equal to minus 6, you will get the other sphere, correct? So this is x square plus y square plus z square minus 4 and plus or minus 6 times z is equal to 0, and which is the required equation of sphere.